Is your iPhone's weather app not working and leaving you in the dark about the forecast? Don't worry, I've got some quick and easy fixes to get your weather app back on track. Let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Check Location Services. Open Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Scroll down and select Weather. Choose while using the app or always. Solution 2. Offload and restart the weather app. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down. Find out Weather App. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Enable background data for weather app. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Make sure to set the cellular data Wi-Fi. Also make sure your Wi-Fi and cellular data is actively working. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset and check the weather app after your iPhone restarts. Solution 5. Reinstall the weather app. Press and hold the weather app icon until it wiggles. Tap the X or Remove App icon. Go to the App Store, search for weather and reinstall the app. So that's how you can fix the weather app if it's not working on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching!